before I started this channel, before I started investing in Ethereum, in Bitcoin, or any other cryptocurrency, I was investing in real estate. And this right here is my most recent project that I pretty much bought sight unseen. Do not do what I'm doing. All right, so in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a quick walk around this property that's barely standing. Check it out. And I will show you pretty much what I have done so far, what I plan on doing in the future, and more about this deal. So if you are interested in investing in real estate, make sure you watch this video. All right, let me switch the camera around so I can show you the property that I purchased a couple of weeks ago. Let's go. All right, so check it out. This is the side of the house. I will show you the front once the neighbor leaves, but as you can see, check it out. This house is going to need a ton of work. This section right here, that's the bathtub. It is being held up by a jack. Interesting. As you can see, the foundation on this house is almost not even there. It was built in the 1930s. So it will need a ton of work. As you can see, at one point it did have some siding, but once I started tearing the siding off, this was underneath. Everything was hidden. I believe once I tear this side off as well, I will see even more of this stuff. One thing that I do love about this house is the lot size and the location. The lot goes all the way back pretty much to that forested area. Let me show you the other side. This is the third dumpster so far. This is the front. As you can see, it is on a very busy street. Goes all the way to that house and then all the way back to that area right there. It is 0.6 of an acre, so a very decent lot. Also, this lot can be used for commercial purposes. That is also another reason why I purchased this. Now let me show you a little bit more of the house. Check it out. Let me look at the other side. And check it out as well. As you can see, it is extremely old. All right, let's quickly go on the inside. Check it out. The entire house is pretty much being gutted. Look at those fixtures from the 30s. Check it out. I will post up some pictures right now instead of this video so you can see how the house looked like when I initially purchased it. It did have walls, it did have a kitchen, it did have a bathroom, all of that stuff, but I have tore down everything. You want to see something real cool? Check this out. Real security. All right, but all jokes aside, this house is going to need some serious work if I decide to keep it. As of right now, I am 50-50. I'm not sure if I will keep this house, if I will renovate it, or if I will simply tear it down and build something else on the lot. But as you can see, the foundation, the house is in very rough shape. Check it out. This was the kitchen area. The sink was right here. The stove was right here. The water heater is pretty new, which is not bad at all. A couple $100 right there. All the fixtures, everything electrical, pretty much everything will need to be replaced on this house. Windows are all over the place. Some of them are not that old. Others are classics. Check them out right here. Check them out. So this house will definitely need a lot of work. I literally bought it sight unseen for $58,000. I was like, I couldn't go wrong, but it definitely went wrong. I do not know if you can see it, but there's like a big old bump right here. You can see the floor through here. Literally, the house is barely standing. Let's go to this room right here. Check it out. That's the outside, the bathtub. Check it out. So this is what I'm pretty much working on right now. Obviously, I haven't made the decision if I will keep this house or if I will tear it down completely and build something else. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Would you be able to take on a project like this, or would you just tear it down and build something new? Let me know your thoughts. Obviously, guys, I have done stuff like this before, so the work doesn't really scare me. Everything is planned for in a budget if I plan on going the route of renovating this property. If not, it will be a tear down and we're gonna build something commercial in the back of this lot. So when I'm not investing in crypto, when I'm not taking 5,000 or 20,000 and just dropping it on a random project, this is the stuff that I do. This is the stuff that pretty much allowed me to retire early. The stuff that pretty much allowed me to have the money to be able to invest in these crypto projects. Also, if you're a real estate investor or you have rental properties or you do projects like this and you need an insurance company that's willing to insure stuff like this, check out the Steadily link in the description box below. In my opinion, they are an amazing company that pretty much insures all of my projects. And if you're a homeowner, Steadily can save you some money as well and can potentially lower your monthly mortgage payment, thus keeping more money in your pocket. Also, if you are looking to refinance a property or buy your first investment, check out the links in the description box below if you need some financing. All right, everybody, that pretty much concludes this quick little video. If you guys want me to give you more updates on my real estate projects, on my rental properties and stuff like that, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.